In this video, I want to talk about the inner tie rod removal tool. Let's get started. This right here is an inner tie rod tool, and the way it works is it clamps onto the ball and socket joint of the inner tie rod. You use these two mounting nuts, which in this case are 17 millimeter in size, so you can tighten them up with a wrench. Basically, you have to clamp this down as much as you can so that it can squeeze onto that joint. Right down here has a 3/8" square drive for an extension or directly a breaker bar or a ratchet, depending on how you can access this. Once you stick this in here, you can use all that leverage from your tool to break free the inner tie rod from the steering rack. Once you've done that, you actually have to remove this tool, so you have to unclamp it and pull it away. Then you can replace your tie rod, and when it comes time to installing, you can use this tool to tighten it back up. And it works the same way. You put it on, you clamp it down, comes with some washers so that it can slide on smoothly. I also suggest lubricating these threads with some grease or oil. That way the friction doesn't damage them over time. Other than that, the teeth right here, I recommend cleaning after every use so that next time, if they're covered in grease, they can bite onto that tie rod properly. And there you have it. This is the inner tie rod tool, which is a lot more compact than the tube style that slides over the tie rods.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.